Ever wondered how to change your YouTube channel's name and description? Well, today is your lucky day as we delve into the simple steps to do just that. Firstly, open YouTube Studio in your browser and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option located in the left menu. Next, click on the Channel tab within the settings. Here you'll see the Basic Info section, where your channel's name is displayed. Click on the Edit button next to it. A box will appear for you to enter your channel's new name. After typing in the new name, click on the Publish button. But before hitting Publish, just make sure to double-check everything. Once satisfied, go ahead and hit Publish. Congratulations, your channel's name has now been updated. Now, let's move on to editing the channel description. Head back to Settings and click on the Channel tab. Scroll down in the Basic Info section until you find the Description option. Click Edit next to it. To edit the description, type out your new description in the box provided. This is your chance to write a few sentences about your channel that will help your viewers understand what your channel is all about. After you've written your description, click on Publish. Just like before you hit Publish, take a moment to review everything. Once you're happy with your description, go ahead and hit Publish. Your channel's description is now updated. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to change your YouTube channel's name and description. Keep your viewers updated and keep creating. Thank you for tuning in.